how to use the title, description, and keywords inside the Xpics. Xpic is one of the amazing software which is the open source software, and you can use Xpics to save the title, description, and keyword inside your photograph. If you are working in the stock agencies photograph, then you need these tools which will help you to save your time, and it will help you to share the different kind of metadata related with your photos. So I'm also using Xpics from 1 years, and it's giving me the amazing types of performance to save my times. And if you also want to know how much you can earn, then you can check my previous video. I have already uploaded those videos on my YouTube channel. Okay. So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press in the bell icon. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So guys, welcome back to my computer screen. So today I'm going to teach you how to set the title, tag, description, and keyword in the photos using the Xpic. Xpic is one of the open source software which will provide you the different kind of features. So for this one, so now you can see here is a photo of rhododendron. So I'm just going to put the title, description, and keyword in this photo. Okay. So for this one, just I'm opening the Xpics. Then after that, just click in the add files. Then after that, you have to choose your photo. So in this time, I'm just choosing my photos. Okay. So guys, I am just choosing my photos. Yeah, like that. So here is the photo. So I'm just clicking in the open. So now you can see, so for example, I am just using this only one photo. So now you can see in the left box there is a description, in this side there is a title, in this side there is a keyword. Okay, so for this one, just I am just typing the description. So beautiful rhododendron, dendron, large tree with misty sky at Nepal. So I created a description for this photo. So after that, you can copy this one by selecting all, then Ctrl plus C and just go to the title box and just press Ctrl plus B. Then after that, so now you have to put the keyword. So how to use the keywords? So guys, now I'm just using the keywords. So there is two methods to input the keywords. So for example, I can type manually from here, so rhododendrons like that, and it will suggest you the different kind of keywords. But I prefer to use the suggest keywords. But for this one, you need internet connection. Okay. So first of all, you have to choose from which stock agency you want to use the keyword. So first one is the Shutterstock, and the second one is the Adobe stock. But in this time, I'm using the Shutterstock, and here you have to type the your keywords. Then you have to click in the search. So after that, so now you can see my battery also low, so that's why maybe too low. So I'm going to choose this photo. So now you can see here there are different kind of keywords available in this photo. So if I went in this sites also, maybe there will be different kind of things available. So now you can see here the different kind of keywords available. So if you don't want to use any kind of keyword, so you have to click in the into, or you have to click in the close button. Then after that, you can close. So if you want to add more keywords from here, so you can use any kind of preferred keywords from the below. Okay, and you can set the keywords up to 50 keywords, but in this time I'm just using the 30 keywords. Then after that, click in the add suggested and click in the close. So now you can see here my keywords is completed. So now you can see so now I have totally 31 keywords available inside for this photo. So I'm just going to typing the red color rhododendrons dendrons photo. Okay, rhododendrons jungle. Okay, so misty sky, cloudy sky. So I'm just using this kind of keywords by manually. After that, just you have to click here and then you have to click in the save. After that, just click in the start export. Okay, so now the all the titles, description and keywords will be saved inside this photo. So if you want to upload those photos, just you have to click in the upload. So you can upload your same photo in different kind of stock agencies. For example, I'm just using the 123 RF, I'm just using phone 5, I'm just using the Adobe Star. You can use the another types of stock agency also. So if you want to add another type of the stock agency, just you have to go here, add new, then you can type the title and host, username and password. Okay, so you will get the different kind of the stock agency related username and password, FTP username and password, and you can those kind of username and password. So after that, just you have to click in the start upload, and all your photo will start to upload inside your photo. Okay, so now you can see here my photo is uploading inside those kind of websites. Okay, so it will take a little bit time, it depends on your internet speed.
Hoping that you get few ideas about the Xpics. If you have still any kind of confusion about Xpics, then let me know in the comment sections, and I'll try to make a separate video on that topic also. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye. See you again.